Hello, curious minds. You're listening to STEM with Dr. Owl, where big questions turn into fun adventures.
Hi, I'm Emma, always full of questions and ready to explore.
Ziggy here. I know a zillion facts and 0 ways to share cookies.
If you like our show, please share with a friend, a teacher, or your whole class.
Or your neighbor's cat. Uh-oh, my bubble bath isn't working. No water. What if we ran out?
You probably just turned the wrong knob, Ziggy.
Or maybe we used up all the water on Earth?
Haha, not quite. Water doesn't just vanish. It goes on an incredible journey. Want to find out where your bath water really comes from?
As long as it doesn't involve licking frogs for moisture, count me in.
Imagine a tiny drop of water floating in the ocean. The sun warms it up, and poof, it rises into the sky.
That's evaporation, right?
Exactly. That's the first step in the water cycle. The sun heats up water from oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning it into vapor. That vapor rises into the sky and becomes...
Oh, I know this one. Condensation?
Pretty close. It's called condensation. The water vapor joins a cloud party until the cloud gets too heavy.
And the sky starts crying. Wah! Somebody give the sky a tissue.
Oh, Ziggy, it's just rain.
Ooh hoot. More like the sky is recycling. That raindrop falls to the ground. It might land in a river, a lake, or even your neighborhood puddle. Quick quiz. Where do you think water goes when a puddle disappears after the rain? A. Down a secret hole. B. Into outer space. Or C. Into the air.
I hope it's a secret hole, like a trapdoor to Atlantis.
I think it's C, in the air.
You got it, Emma. It goes into the air through evaporation. The sun makes water turn into vapor, which is just the beginning of its amazing journey through the water cycle. That vapor rises up and cools down to form clouds. And when those clouds get too heavy, splash! The water falls back to Earth as rain, snow, or even hail. That's called precipitation. After precipitation, water might land on a mountain and freeze as snow. When the weather warms up, it melts into a stream, flows into rivers, and runs all the way back to the ocean. That journey is called surface runoff.
So snow becomes stream, becomes river, becomes ocean. That's a lot of shape-shifting.
Exactly. The water keeps moving across the land back to the sea.
What if the water soaks into the ground?
Great question. Some water seeps down into the soil and becomes groundwater. It might stay hidden underground for a long time or flow slowly through rocks and soil until it reaches a spring, a river, or even a well.
Like a secret water tunnel. I want goggles and a flashlight for that mission.
You'd make a great groundwater explorer, Ziggy. And no matter which path it takes, through the ground or across the surface, it eventually returns to the ocean, and the water cycle starts again. Now let's test your explorer brain. If water sinks into the ground and slowly moves through tiny spaces in rocks, what's it called? A. sneaky sinkhole? B, super soggy sponge? Or C, groundwater?
I vote for Super Soggy Sponge. That sounds like a superhero.
It's C, groundwater.
Correct. Groundwater is water stored under the surface. It's like Earth's secret water savings account.
Dr. Owl, where did all the water come from in the first place?
Scientists believe some water came from deep inside the Earth as steam from volcanoes, and some may have come from outer space, riding on icy comets that crashed into Earth billions of years ago.
So the sky cried because space threw ice balls at it? Space is wild.
It sure is. And here's something even wilder. Guess true or false. Some of the water you drink today might be the same water a dinosaur stepped in.
That better be false, or I've been drinking dinosaur toe juice.
I think it's true.
It's true. Water on Earth keeps cycling through nature. So a drop you drink today could be millions of years old.
If water keeps going in circles, we'll never run out, right?
Not exactly. Earth has plenty of water, but most of it is salty, like in the oceans, or frozen in ice. Only a small amount is fresh water that we can actually drink.
So, I can run out of bath water?
Yep, and sometimes we make things worse by wasting water or polluting it. Speaking of how much water is around us, let's test your brain power with one more quiz. Which of these has the most water? A, the air, B, your body, or C, the earth?
Earth?
My body's like 90% juice boxes, so I'm going with B.
The answer is C, earth. Your body has a lot of water too, about 60%. And the air holds a little as water vapor, especially on humid days. But nothing beats the Earth when it comes to total water. Around 70% of Earth's surface is covered in it. But here's the twist. Almost all of that is salty ocean water or frozen in glaciers. Only a tiny bit is fresh water we can actually use. That's why it's super important to take care of the clean water we have.
I want to be a water-saving robot with sponge fingers and drip sensors.
Ho-ho! You don't need to be a robot to help. Everyone can save water. Here's how. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Use leftover water for plants. Keep soap, trash, and chemicals out of storm drains. And fix leaky faucets.
I'll start by turning off the tap when I wash my hands.
And I'll start by finishing this episode, then taking my bath.
Water is ancient, powerful, and precious. Every drop has been on a journey, from oceans to clouds to comets in space.
It moves through the water cycle again and again, helping all living things along the way. That's why we need to protect every drop we can.
And now it's heading to my bathtub. Unless the sky starts crying again.
Hoot hoot, young explorers. Until next time, keep asking big questions and stay curious.
That was so much fun, Dr. Owl. I hope all our explorers had a great time too.
Hoot hoot! We loved having you with us. If you don't want to miss our next adventure, follow us on your favorite podcast platform.
And if if you know a friend who loves exploring too, share our podcast with them.
If you have a question or a topic you want to learn more about, leave us a comment. See you next time.